Look who I'm fucking.
Almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain.
Oh my god, y'all, I'm so tired. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Francine or Franny. In today's video, you guys, I'm bringing you guys a holiday glam look. You know what I'm saying? You know it's the holiday season, so you can wear this for Christmas. Yeah, this is just basically a holiday glam look. I was going for more a natural vibe, but girl, by the time I got done with this look, this is definitely not natural whatsoever. But before we get started, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell notification button so you will notify every single time that I upload. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give you girls a thumbs up. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will catch y'all guys. I will catch y'all in my next video. Peace. Alright, you guys, so you already know I did my brows off camera, so we just gonna go ahead and start with the eyes. Now I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the CoverGirl True Blend. It's Lit Concealer, and this is in the color I don't know. I think it's like medium deep or something like that. We'll see. We'll see. We gonna see. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that with my airspun translucent powder, face powder. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna press that translucent powder on the lids just to set the lids with this foundation brush. Alright guys, so the palette we're going to be using is the Morphe palette. I've been using the Morphe palette a lot lately. This is the Morphe 350M. Yeah, so this is the Morphe 350M. The first color I'm going to be taking, y'all, is this red color right here. And I'm going to be placing that into the crease. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade. And the brush I'm going to be applying is this. I got this from Walgreens. I have all the products and everything linked down below if y'all are in. Y'all, sometimes I feel like I low-key don't know how to do makeup. Sometimes I don't know what the hell I be doing. Y'all know I'm like self-taught. Like I don't know. I just be doing something, and you know, be hoping it turns out cute. And most of the time it turns out cute. So the next color I'm going to be taking is like this burnt orange color right here. It's right on the side of that red color that I took as a transition shade. The brush I'm going to be using is this Morphe brush. They do not have numbers, so I really don't know which brush this is. But this is just it's kind of like a tapered eyeshadow brush as well. So I'm gonna be using this brush. I'm gonna be blending this color into the red color. I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do it because I don't know how to. I'm terrible at explaining things, so hopefully you can just look at it and get it. Okay. Be taking is this dark brown shade right here. This brush is from Morphe as well. It's like a tiny, I don't know what to call this, y'all. And I'm taking this brown shade on the lid a little bit as well, like so. Basically the outer V. Eyeshadow brush that I use to place the orange color. And I'm going to just blend the brown into the rest of the shades. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna dip into my Morphe 350S palette, and this is basically the shimmer colors, and I'm gonna basically take this rose gold looking color. I'm just going to spray that, and I'm gonna girl, I don't know. Alright y'all, so I'm just gonna place that right on the lid. I said it right that time. really like how that color is looking on my lid, so I'm gonna go over it with this gold bronze, like a bronze gold color. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go back in with that dark brown. I'm taking it on top of that, on top of the lid color, just a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my lashes with my Estee Lauder little black primer. All right, y'all, so the lashes I'm going to be using are by House of Lashes, and I think these are in the style Iconic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these on and I will come back. All right, so I finally got these lashes on, y'all, because y'all know I be struggling. Priming my skin with the Urban Decay complexion primer. Y'all, so let's go ahead and cover up these dark spots. So I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Is this concealer? Yeah, concealer corrector in the color orange. And alright, y'all, so the foundation I'm going to be taking today is my CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and this is in the color D40 Deep Bronze. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight with that same concealer. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna set that with my airspun powder. Ooh, the highlight look kind of bright. Alright, so I'm going to contour with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in Cocoa. Alright guys, so I'm going to take my translucent powder and I'm going to go right underneath that contour just to sharpen it up a bit. Alright guys, so I'm going to set that contour with my BH Cosmetics contour palette. My L'Oreal True Match face powder. I'm just going to be setting the face. It is from my Saharan Juivas Place blush palette. And I'm going to be taking this, it's like a brownish color. And I'm going to be using that as a blush. Now I'm going to go back to the eyes, y'all. That burnt orange color that I use on the eyes. I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. Alright, so now I'm going to take that red color that I used and I'm going to place that on the outer. Mascara on my bottom lashes. So now I'm just going to highlight my inner corner of the eye. This is just a dark brown lip liner that I'm going to be using. And I'm going to be placing ColourPop. This is in color Chi. I'm going to be placing that into the center of my lip. Apply the liquid lipstick in the middle of my lips. Then I'm going to put NYX Butter Gloss on top. This is in Pearline. Alright guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray.
Body, huh?